Phonics. Letter V. V is for van. V. Van. V is for vegetables. V. Vegetables. V is for volcano. V. Volcano. V is for violin. V. Violin. V is for volleyball. V. Volleyball. V is for vaccine. V. Vaccine. V is for vulture. V. Vulture. V is for Venus. V. Venus. V is for vampire. V. Vampire. Now you know it. Let's repeat it and do it again. Get ready. Here we go. V. V is for van. V is for vegetables. V is for volcano. V is for violin. V is for volleyball. V is for vaccine. V is for vulture. V is for Venus. V is for vampire.
Thanks a billion for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.